right, good afternoon. We are here in Mount Dora, Florida today. We are at Barnwood BBQ. I heard about this place on the radio a couple of weeks ago, and a bunch of people kept calling in on the radio station. Everyone was talking about the coronavirus, like how they were doing economically, how they were doing emotionally, everything like that. And people were calling in that were business owners, and the person who runs this barbecue place called in to the radio station I was listening to, and then a bunch of other callers kept calling in saying, yes, that place is legit, it's legit, you gotta try it, you gotta try it. I looked up some reviews online and everybody seemed to agree, so we decided to come out here and try it. We'll let you know how the food is in just a bit, but yeah, this is Barnwood BBQ in Mount Dora, Florida. All they have open right now is their food truck, because obviously the inside restaurant's not allowed to reopen until Monday, May the 4th, when restaurants are allowed to open at 25% capacity. But their food truck's been open for a while now, because that's how they originally started their business, so we'll let you know how the food is.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the smoked sausage one. Yum. Alexis, it has pickles. I don't know if you like pickles. But anyway, this is the garlic bread. And mac and cheese, baked beans. Looks pretty good. That's a lot of sausage. We'll see. This is the corn on the cob. They were having fresh. They don't always have it. But they did today from the local farm. Okay, this is gonna end up on the floor, people. Okay, this is the smoked chicken, coleslaw, mac and cheese, garlic bread, yum. This is the blueberry cobbler, the special for the day. Looks pretty good.
It looks so good.
It does look good. And the last one, which is the smoked, the pulled pork, sorry, pulled pork. Yum. Again, baked beans, mac and cheese, pulled pork.
Smells
and
good.
Why does it have pickles? I don't know, but it does smell really good. Yum. So there you have it. We'll let you guys know what we think. The smoked chicken is really good. The barbecue sauce is really yummy. The coleslaw for me was just average. Mac and cheese was pretty good. The garlic toast they make here, they use like sea salt on it, and so those bites, when you get some of them, I think it's a little too salty. But I mean, a good flavor overall. Can't complain. Alexis, you really love those baked beans, right?
Delicious.
Yeah, those were really good. She got smoked sausage, and those pickles. The weirdest thing. I mean, I'm not a pickle person like at all, so I have no idea what makes these different, but they're super sweet and they don't taste like the average pickle, and I actually thought that was definitely edible. Is the sausage good?
The sausage is a little crunchy, but it's really good. Like when you take the first bite, it's a little crunch in the outside,
Yeah.
but then the inside is good.
Oh, it's the casing, yeah. All right, cool. Daddy, what did you say? You mentioned that you really like the pulled pork, right? That you liked it even without the sauce.
I haven't even put sauce on my pulled pork yet, and it's good.
Yeah?
I'm just at some point I gotta try and put the sauce on it.
Yeah, the sauce is really good.
The mac and cheese is really good. The baked beans, they say they make them with like molasses baked beans here. Baked beans are really good. Might be the best baked beans I've ever eaten in my life. Really good.
Best beans in
The
my life.
garlic toast, like she said, has a little salty flavor every couple of bites. I mean, I'm not a big garlic toast person anyway, so I could do without it, but it's okay.
Yeah.
But overall, the food is very, very good. Makes me definitely want to come back here when the actual restaurant opens back up.
Yeah, I haven't tried the corn on the cob, so that'll be next. And the cobbler, I'm excited about cobbler. I do like my sweets. And you said those were the best beans ever? What?
Yeah,
How about mine?
Except for my mommy.
Yeah, all right. So we just finished eating. We had some leftovers. I think overall the consensus was that the baked beans were the favorite, right, Alexis?
Oh yeah.
You said you would buy 100 of them.
I would grab 50 of them.
50, okay.
Put them in my room. Put aprons all over me. Take off my shoes. Put on my goggles, and then jump in them and eat them all.
All right,
Yeah.
Daddy. What was your favorite? Was the baked
brother.
beans as well, right?
Yes, the molasses baked beans were amazing.
Yeah.
Those were so good, yeah. Everything was good.
Everything was good. I think
I'll
yeah.
definitely be making a trip back here at some point when the
Yeah.
restaurant reopens.
That's true.
Why would my
Now I think we're gonna try the blueberry cobbler, which I think Dan already.
It's half gone.
Yeah, half gone. Okay.
And it is
So
good.
how was it? Yeah.
Half gone, it's delicious. The
It's
blueberries,
delicious?
yep, they're Florida blueberries grown here locally.
Oh, that makes it
So
even
it's a
better.
specialty on their menu. Like, I don't know if it's today only or what, but I know they advertised it on their Facebook page that they were having fresh sweet corn from Zellwood, which is a local place here in Central Florida. And they were having fresh blueberries to make the blueberry cobbler, and you can tell when you eat it it's fresh because it's delicious.
And yeah, the corn on the cob. Yeah, that was pretty good too. I
delicious
just
always
finished that.
better.
Yeah.
I mean, fresh always better.
All right. Well, you tried the cobbler, right, Alexis? Do you want to try it again?
I want to try it again. Hey, that's my fork.
That's very good.
Is that your first bite?
No, that was my second. Yeah, good.
I have blueberry.
All right. All right. I think the consensus is this place is worth a try, and off we go. So even though we're completely stuffed and have no desire to eat anything else today, we are going to stop here because it's nearby where we were, and it is this pretty good bakery. I mean, I only eaten here once and I liked it. It's called Yalaha Bakery. We'll give you a better insight as to what we think of it today when we eat it later tonight. It's kind of like German style, I would say. I don't want to be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's the bakery itself. They do live music here, obviously right now because of everything going on. Things are pretty much closed, but I will show you a little bit. It's pretty packed here today, even if it's just because of the bakery. They don't want you to sit. As you can see, all of the benches are up, and I did forget to put my mask on, so I'm gonna try to avoid people. But as you can see, when everything's back to normal, this is where they'll have their music, I'm sure. Their little band maybe performs up there. Very neat. I'll show you inside in a minute. I wonder if that's good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Portugal bien.
Honey beef slice? Yes, please.
So we waited a while since we got back from the bakery, and now we're gonna try our goodies. I ended up getting a lemon mango mousse bar. Thank you. Key lime tart, and Daddy got an eclair because he loves eclairs. So we're all gonna take a bite and see what we think. Okay? You wanna go, Alexis?
Yeah. That's so good.
It's
That's
good.
super good.
Is it really sweet, or is it just right for your opinion?
It's good.
It's good.
I want to try this chocolate thing.
I think that's what that is. Just be careful. Looks like
That's
chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah.
That's really good too.
It's really good too. Okay, Daddy, you want to try your eclair?
Sure. Oh boy, that's a messy eclair.
Maybe just, yeah, I don't know.
Oh my god.
Oh, good bite. Oh, it's all falling out.
Just lick the sides, Daddy.
Oh, good.
Pretty good?
Messy, but good.
Messy
Daddy,
looking?
lick the sides. Lick
Yeah.
the sides of the eclair.
Alright,
Oh, I want this again.
let me try my lemon mango mousse bar. Wow, that's good.
Can I have a bite?
Well, you heard it. It's all really good. I would recommend going there. Definitely, right?
Can I have a bite?
Everybody recommend it?
Yep.
Yep.
Yalaha Bakery.
Yalaha
in
Bakery.
Yalaha, Florida.
Yalaha, Florida. It was near Mount Dora, right? It's not too far off.
No, not too far between Mount Dora and
Howie.
Groveland area, I guess.
Yeah, and the Howie in the Hills, it's called.
Yeah, it's close to Howie in the Hills.
Howie in the Hills. It's a nice neighborhood with lots of beautiful houses. It's a nice drive through there too. So check it out.